Okay, hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are well and safe during the challenging time due to the COVID-19 pandemic. I'm Arefin Sourav. I'm pursuing my master's degree in Atmajaya, Yogyakarta. In this study, I'm affiliated with Mr. Andi, Wahju, Rahardjo, Emanuel. In this video, I'm going to present our paper titled Feasibility Study of Web-Based POS System Implementation for SMEs in Bangladesh. Small and medium enterprises are the main driving forces of a developing country's economy. In Bangladesh, SMEs help to keep the economy running. As a developing country, Bangladesh is still less advanced in using the latest technologies such as website, e-commerce, high-speed internet, point of sales, or POS, etc., which is a great barrier in SME development. However, without using the latest technologies, SMEs in Bangladesh are losing many valuable opportunities competing in the global market. Introducing basic technologies like web-based POS system can be an initial step to utilize the power of modern methods of success in small and medium business in Bangladesh. So the purpose of our study is to finding the feasibility factors of the implementation of a web-based point-of-sale system for SMEs in Bangladesh and finding if the current technological development is suitable to adapt POS system by the SMEs in Bangladesh. The method followed in this study is a qualitative approach. The research followed a qualitative approach to collect information. The research was done remotely, and we relied on secondary data derived from different sources. This figure is showing the methodology of our study. Initially, we searched through different search engines like Google Scholar, the Web of Science, and Scopus. Due to a lack of quality research paper in this field directly related to Bangladesh, we considered the other different valid sources of information like government websites and national LEAP reports. In this paper, we presented a comparison between Bangladesh and Indonesia in the context of ICT development and cloud computing adaptation among the SMEs. The comparison followed specific parameters like the current state of both countries in technological fields, the SME condition, technological adaptation by the SMEs, internet adaptation, internet usage, expansion rate, etc. Based on the data, we decided that whether it is feasible or not for Bangladeshi SMEs to implement similar web-based POS system like Indonesia. Resultant discussion. Here, we are presenting a comparison of the current ICT development status between Bangladesh and Indonesia. The reason behind choosing Indonesia as a model of comparison is because the SMEs in this country have made some significant adaptation of cloud technologies like web-based POS systems. Bangladesh and Indonesia are both South Asian developing countries. Both countries started the development of internet in the early 90s. From the table it's visible that Bangladesh is not much far behind in technological adaptation, and the positive thing is that Bangladesh has made significant progresses in ICT development for the last 2 decades. So it is easier to reach a benchmark that is not so far or difficult to achieve for the capability of Bangladesh. This graph visually represents the increasing yearly rate of internet users in Bangladesh. This graph is showing that every year the number of internet subscribers increases at a consistent rate, which is a major positive indicator for Bangladesh in technological adaptation. Still, modern technologies are not ensured for the SMEs in Bangladesh. There are still many challenges to implement different technologies in the SME sector properly. One of the significant challenge for SMEs for SME development in Bangladesh is the lack of electricity. Load shedding is a very common issue in Bangladesh. Some parts of the country are still out of the reach of electricity. Both rural and city areas face load shedding issues almost every day. More than 90% of the farms in Bangladesh do not get enough continuous electricity supply to run their business or production. Again, software usage tendency among the SMEs is very low. Lack of skilled personnel in technical fields, lack of uh, proper network infrastructure, security issues, high cost of adaptation of ICT tools, and usability for the business are the major challenges to adopt technologies among the SMEs in Bangladesh. In this case, Bangladesh needs more advanced infrastructure support with proper policies to truly implement ICT among the SMEs. This study aimed to find out the feasibility factors of implementing a web-based POS system among the SMEs in Bangladesh. We found out that there are many opportunities in introducing technologies among the SMEs. Therefore, it is feasible to implement a web-based POS software if the current challenges can be carefully taken care of. As the POS technology is not widely familiar among the Bangladeshi SMEs, only a few quality types of research has been done in this field. Due to this limitation, we had to rely on government websites and reports published by the government organizations for valid secondary data. We encourage the future researcher to explore this research area and fulfill the knowledge gap by collecting primary data. We suggest developing technological infrastructure, the arrangement of regular campaigns to increase awareness and knowledge about the benefits of using ICT in business to help people change their minds about adopting new technologies in business. We also recommend reducing the implementation cost of technologies and make the technologies available to everyone. And that's all of my presentation. Thank you.